How to share notes on Android. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. This is very easy and does not take much time. So in this video, I'll show you how to collaborate and share notes with other people. First of all, you just have to go to the notes and select the note that you want to share. And here at the top, you will find a share option. So tap on it. Here you have two options. Either you can share your note as text or as picture. So I'm selecting here text, and you can share it to various apps, but here we are sharing it to other people. So here we will use the messaging app to share to other people. So here I'll go to the messenger and share the notes. So here, as you can see, I have shared the notes, and sharing the notes does not allow the other people to modify or edit your notes. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.